Hi everybody, this is Squeeva here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be covering the very basics of video sequence editing in Blender. Now, this is a free GNU software, completely free, completely open source, or GNU I think. And yeah, so let's go ahead and start doing this. So we're going to create a new project. Okay, and then you're going to go here. You're going to go to video editing. Make this Blender render. There you go. This is your basic layout. This here's your timeline. I don't know what the hell that is. This here is your preview, and then this here is your sequence editing. You can see that this only goes up to 250. Because we're not actually going to be rendering anything, we're going to set this equal to that much, just to give us lots of room for editing. You can see it goes on almost forever. But if we put this back to 200, you'll see that the kind of grid, the highlighted grid, stops about there, and the line's there, and if you play it, it'll only go up to there. Let's just make this. It'll only go up to there, and then we'll restart and keep looping. So we want to set this equal to a really big number, so we have lots of room to work. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to go up here. We don't really want this. We want to go to File Browser, and you need to find out where you have all your data. So I'm going to go to my hard drive. I'm going to go to Users, Andy, what was it? VVVVVVV. Yes. I'm not sure. So I'm just going to go to desktop, and I'm going to use some things I used for an English project, because I am cool like that. Right here, here's a whole bunch of videos. As you can see, this is as simple as dragging and dropping, but we cannot drag and drop. We have to do this. Now we can drag and drop. These here are captions I made in GIMP. GIMP is another GNU free image making software. So that's how you're going to add in captions, and I'll show you. Well, you can add an alpha layer. So let's start off with just this scene. We just drag and drop, and you right click and hold to move around the actual video. Let's move around. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's move this around as well. Let's make the start 4, just so we don't actually have to. There we go. The start is now 4, so it starts at the beginning. And if you play this,
like how good that quality is. I can't even, it's great.
You can see you hear this really ugly sound. Absolutely ugly. Going really slowly.
Like how good that quality is.
We want to make this. Make it AV sync, so it drops frames instead of going really slowly.
That quality is. I can't even, it's great.
See, you see how it lags a bit? That's because it's dropping frames to process. Now, suppose we wanted a silent film, or suppose we didn't want this really annoying and obnoxious noise in the background. All we have to do is hit delete, erase strip. You can see now there's no sound. So, Moby, don't hate me. I'm going to use one of your songs. I'm going to place that here. And now, if you play it, you can see we get a really nice effect of music. But I'm not going to use it right now. I might use it later. Actually, you know what? I might turn down my sound a bit. Okay. Yeah, it's better. So we're going to use Mistakes by Moby. Got it from Moby Gratis, so it's free and royalty. It's all royalty free in that kind of shiznick. So we play. Now, suppose we wanted to make this shorter. You'd have to cut it. So let's go to strip, and you can see here if you right click, change shortcut, Shift F, that works a bit better. And grab and move, change shortcut, right mouse. Actually, no. Shift I. Alright. Erase strip. You can just hit the delete key though. duplicate strip. Alright, so we have all of our basic functions down now. So if we go here and we put our thing, our scrubber where we want to edit, where we want to, delete something, we just do that. We hit Control F, and you see it split it into two different things. It didn't actually delete it, but we want to pick the segment we want to delete. So say it's this one. We hit delete and we erase the strip. There we go. We've done that. So we have a really nice short strip, and yeah. So now suppose we wanted to add in a caption. This here is our caption. Let's make it a bit longer. See, that looks about good. And let's move it over here. Let's make it a bit longer. Yeah, that's a good caption. And if we run this, you can see it runs that. Now, suppose we wanted to add an effect. Now, you see this is on top. You always right-click on the one on top, shift, right-click the one on the bottom. You go to Add, Effect, and you add in the effect you want. A lot of these effects don't actually work for transitions. They work for other types of things. So let's just do a gamma cross. Let's make the gamma cross a bit longer. And just so we can actually see the full effect, we want to put on no sync and run. So it'll just run slowly, so you can actually see the...
Don't speak to me this
Oh wait,
way.
that was wrong. Okay. No, stop. Okay, that was wrong. I'm sorry. You wanna click the one you're transitioning to, and then the one you're not, and then add effect strip, gamma cross. It's all about the order in which you do things. So now we should get a bit more normal. Oh Jesus. No, that's not obviously. It's obviously not what you want. This is easier if I just move this down here. This works a hell of a lot more. Add gamma cross. Yep, there you go. Alright, it does a successful gamma cross. It fades in, it fades out. It's very nice. And then suppose we want to have another video feed. We drag that in, we move that there, or more of there. Jesus, okay. Here, delete. Alright, now we have a pretty successful video, and I just want to, make this not as long. There you go. And let's add in a effect. Add effect strip. Let's do a cross. Oh, no, that's wrong. Okay. One you're transitioning to. This one. Oh no. This might not work. Sometimes it doesn't work. Blender's a very strange program. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work out. Yeah, sometimes the effects just don't work. I don't know why. Just be persistent. Use your head. See, I don't like this because now it's like, can I just change you? The cross is the entire thing. Oh well, let's just not worry about effects. So this is the very basics of video editing, and you can go here, you can go to Add, Effect Strip, Glow, and there's a glow to this, and I will also show you speed control so you can make kind of a slow-mo thing.
Don't speak to me this way.
It's a glow, it's really saturated. I don't like it though, but let's just keep it. Actually, no, I don't like it. Alright, so we want to go here, and we want to have this scene here. Actually, no. There's a good scene. This one. And these are actually me. This is actually me. I'm starring in this. Don't tell anybody though. Okay. Let's move you back over. Oh no. You come with me. And I'm not gonna pay much attention to effects real quick. Alright, so suppose near the end, like right around here, Shift F. Alright, right here, we want to add in a slow-mo effect. You go to Add, Effect, Speed Control. And then you can go over here and you can say, wait, it's right up here. Where is it? Oh, okay, right here, multiply speed. You want to change that to 0.5. That's going to slow things down a bit.
Oh, you never felt this loss before.
And you can see it's very slow.
And the world is closing doors.
Or we can speed it up, like 2 times the speed. And we run it.
Never felt this loss before.
Or it's just really, it's just really slow. Because my computer's really slow and I'm running OBS. Yeah, so that is Blender. And now the last thing I'm going to cover in this tutorial is rendering. You want to go to Properties. Here we have a whole bunch of things. You want to change this to be MPEG or something, and go to Coding. Make this here that, and make this here AAC, so it renders the audio. This sometimes doesn't work, and if it doesn't work, the very simple solution is to go to AVI Raw, load it into another program, put in the sound if all else fails. So, and then just hit, this is the amount of frames you want, so say we only want to render 200 frames, or actually how much is this? Okay, we want to render the entire thing. Just do that, hit animate, and you've rendered. Alright, squids, thank you for watching. Please check out my other tutorials, and I will see you in next time. Adios.